It's raining.
We're going to Waterfall.
Can you ride a first car? Hey, I'm on a little camera now. Mommy said it. Wow. You see that? Forgot about that. It's really pretty. Outfit of the day is so pretty. Rain jacket and rain boots. Yeah. So, on the path, walking. We're just walking and looking at pretty places and looking at, it looks like Peru or something like that. It looks like a rainforest, doesn't it? I'm sorry for the lack of quality. This is a picture taking camera, but I'm using it for filming, so I'm out of breath because I'm terrible at walking. Look at this. Isn't it pretty? I think it's pretty. And yeah. Oh, it looks like it's at the bottom. I think it's really pretty. And I'm still in a rain. So, I don't, is it recording? Yeah, it's recording. Look at this. Ain't it pretty? It's pretty. It's so pretty. And it's so, ooh, I love it. So now we're going to the other waterfall, and I'm back on my other camera because it actually wasn't that far. I thought it was like really long and it was gonna be terrible, and it wasn't. So that was nice. So now I'm gonna vlog. Mommy did forbid me to walk and vlog, but I'm doing it right now. She's smiling.
I'll tell you when to stop.
So we're going to the smaller waterfall right now. So bye. A bridge. Let's go over the adventures again. See, but there's a wind. You can probably hear the wind. Right now we're sitting in a car. Yes! We're going to church this evening. It's gonna be nice. Yes! So we're going to a fish and chips restaurant. Fish and chips. Fish and chips. So we're eating fish and chips. Whoop!
We know her.
You will never know. Oh look, I'm wearing something. We found the church now. And it's pink. Pink, yes. A lot of these.